In this video, you will learn how to divide your dataset for deep learning model development for tissue image analysis in digital pathology. Hi, I'm Alexandra Żuraw and I'm here to help you do better digital pathology. So if you're up for that this year, be sure to click the bell below, subscribe and be notified every time I release a new video. This video is a part of a webinar I gave for the Davis-Thompson Foundation. This foundation has a mission to advance veterinary pathology knowledge, and they had a day seminar. I was part of this day seminar and there was this webinar, but it's a long webinar, so I cut it into pieces, very specific pieces, and this is one of them. If you want to watch the full thing, there's a link below in the description to the full webinar, so you can go ahead and just skip the video and watch the full thing, or there's going to be a playlist in the card. At the time of this video, this playlist is not full yet, but in the future it will be. And if you watch till the end, there's going to be a little fun thing I want to show you.
How to divide your data set? Because it is a data-driven approach, it is a little bit, how to say, contradictory task that we're giving the neural network, because we are training on some data, on some images with some annotations, and then this model learns this data. And then we task the model with predicting on data that it didn't see. So if the data is similar enough, then it should do a good job. But if the data is different, then we might have a problem. So what do we do to make this algorithm develop, to have a robust algorithm at the end? We divide our data set. And data set in this case is going to be, for example, images that we're using for detecting mitosis. And we have, let's take 100 images. We use 60 for training. Then we can use 20 for development and 20 for tested. And this is an example in data science. Here it's for a data set that is from 100 to 1 million. We don't have that big data sets. So if it was over 1 million, we could use 98% of our data for training set and then just 1% for development or test. And so what are these things? Trainings is where we do annotations, and the model is learning this data. And then we take another set that here it's called development set, but it can be called test set. And the last set would be validation set. Anyway, the important thing is there is a pool of data that you train on, then a pool of data that you fine tune the algorithm to, and a pool of data when you are confident it should generalize in this particular data set, and then you don't do anything with this anymore. This is just for testing. And so to develop a robust one, we need to divide our data set to avoid so-called overfitting.
You watched till the end, so now it's time for the surprise. A cup! What do you mean, Alex? You're showing me a cup? Yes, it's a special one. So it's a Polish pottery from Bolesławiec. I'm in Poland now, recording this from Poland, and a couple of videos as well. And I bought some cups, espresso and normal teacups, and just wanted to share with you the typical traditional Polish pottery pattern.